नमस्ते फ्रेंड्स। हाउ आर यू? आप सब कैसे हो? होप उम्मीद करता हूँ कि एवरीथिंग इज गोइंग वेल इन योर लाइफ एंड whatever, whether you believe in God or you believe in higher spirit, uh, do great thing or good things into your life, or and you आप अचीव करो मोर एंड मोर सक्सेस, मोर एंड मोर। बहुत मतलब उम्मीद यही करता हूँ कि खुश रहो जिंदगी में एंड कम लॉट ऑफ हैप्पीनेस। सच बताऊँ तो मेरा मेरा जो ड्रीम है ना लाइफ में, कभी मैंने ऐसे ड्रीम किया नहीं है कि मेरा ड्रीम ये होना चाहिए वो होना चाहिए। जब भी मैं बाहर लोगों को देखता हूँ ना, तो बस आई वांट टू सी हैप्पी फेस ओनली। that was my biggest basically dream, but I have not limitations, but मैं एक लिमिटेड लोगों को ही मतलब खुश कर सकता हूँ। मैं पूरे होल वर्ल्ड को कर तो नहीं सकता। इट इज मतलब इट इज पॉसिबल बट इट इज नहीं कर सकता एक प्रैक्टिकली देखा जाए तो मैं जो मेरे अराउंड है उनको ही मैं खुश कर सकता हूँ और देख पाता हूँ। बट मेरा दैट वाज ड्रीम नहीं है, बट ऐसा मतलब एक अंदर से कि जब भी मैं हमेशा मतलब always I want to see happy faces around me, and I want to create that type of world only. I want to live uh, in a place where peace exists, but uh, creating that peace, it is very difficult, you know. Mm, it's require a lot of hard मतलब lot of work and lot of work you need to do for on yourself and on खाल you can do। आप अपने ऊपर कर सकते हो काम, but you can't do work on other people because there are billions of people on this planet. तो for that everyone need to work on themselves, अगर तभी we can create a better place, better world to live। तो one alone persons can't do great, can do great things in life, but उसकी एक मतलब उसका भी एक लिमिटेशंस है। उसका एक वो एक लिमिटेड अमाउंट तक कर पाएगा ना, उसके बियॉन्ड नहीं कर पाएगा। बट वी एज अ होल ह्यूमैनिटी we have to work toward good things। don't think कि everywhere good things is happening, great thing is happening right now। don't become like people जो सराउंडिंग है, they are giving you advice। किसके बेसिस पे दे रहे हैं? जो उनका माइंड सेट है, जैसा उनका माइंड सेट है। बट यू हैव टू create your own mindset in a positive way। You have to think right kind of thoughts, right thinking। आपकी जो थिंकिंग है वो राइट होनी चाहिए। तो क्या होगा? you will help all the humanity to grow, to create a positive environment for the whole humanity, to become good, to become more smarter, more wiser person, more beautiful person। So you will help basically for whole humanity, and it is your best gift। you don't हम क्या है, you don't need to give anything to the whole world। you just need to, it is, if you are working on yourself na, it is your biggest gift to the whole humanity। because you are doing done you have done everything for the whole humanity. It is your biggest, so you don't need to give money to the whole humanity. You don't need to give uh, uh, any materialistic things to satisfy the other people, or to make happy other people, or to make satisfy yourself. Other people, you can make other people happy without giving anything to them. वो happy बिना कुछ दिए भी किया जा सकता है. तो work on yourself and go higher and higher in life, and let good things will come to you and achieve more success. सक्सेस जो है वो बेसिकली हमारे माइंडसेट पे डिपेंड है कि हाउ वी think about success, how we see our life as right now you are nothing. Don't think ki you will achieve lots of money then you will become successful. You have more property then you will become successful. Don't think like this. These all kind of thinking only exist in your own mind, but in मैं अगर बात करूँ रियलिटी की, तो योर सक्सेस इज डिसाइडेड बाय यू. राइट नाउ यू आर अलाइव. Your body is alive. It is $1 billion. Right now you can sell your body to anyone if he is ready to give you all the money on this planet. No, na. So you have a body. This body is alive, and you are living your life right now. It's the biggest thing. It's the biggest thing. Think about that. So why you are more successful? Don't all people are running behind success doesn't mean ki you are also run behind like them. Your success is decided by you. What you want to achieve, where you want to go, what you want to do. All these things, all these questions are personally, and everyone answer is different, not same, because of their level of understanding, and because their level of education, जो भी है information है, whatever जो हमने गैदर की है उसके बेस पे उसका आंसर होगा ना. अब ये इन्हीं आंसर का एक फर्स्ट क्लास का जो बंदा होगा और एक 12th क्लास का बंदा होगा अलग अलग देगा. तो वैसे आप और कोई अलग जो इंसान है उसका उन्हीं क्वेश्चंस का अलग आंसर हो गया कि लाइफ में क्या करना है क्या नहीं करना है. तो उस तरीके से देखो, तो योर सक्सेस इज डिसाइडेड बाय यू. राइट नाउ यू कॉल योरसेल्फ सक्सेसफुल. बेसिकली इट्स अ माइंडसेट कि राइट नाउ यू थिंक योरसेल्फ अ सक्सेसफुल और नॉट. if you can think कि you are successful, you doesn't need कि you need to achieve anything to become a successful. ये एक wrong mindset है कि हमको क्या लगता है कि we have to achieve anything, we have to do anything to become a successful. If we haven't do or if we haven't achieve anything, then we are not a successful person. ये पूरे majority of people का mindset है जो crowd का. तो don't think like that. It is your own thought basically creating success or failure or whatever you call problems in your life. So think differently, think correctly, think right thoughts, think perfect thoughts basically in the right directions, so your life will become good, and you will see great things will happen into your life. Whether and see, life is always changing, and many things are changing right now. your body is changing right now. Every second your body is changing. uh, you don't, whether you know this or not, but um, you can feel that, or you can sense that. So in a same way, life is changing, everything is changing around you very fast. uh, so we all are living in a changing world. Everything is temporary here. You are temporary, I am temporary. We all are living in a time and space which is which is not a reality, which is not life. It is all in illusion basically. uh, Reality is very different from what we have seen. जो भी हमको मटेरियल वर्ल्ड में दिख रहा है, इससे डिफरेंट है, इससे बियॉन्ड है रियलिटी, व्हाट रियल लाइफ इज, and what we all are. So let's I sum up this episode, and in the next episode I will create more understanding, more deep knowledge, more information I will share with you, and we will come. Right now I am in my room and creating this beautiful, wonderful episode, and hope you enjoy this and you get more insight, and take care of yourself, of your body, because you are living within your own body and it is important for you. So goodbye.